GitHub Readme file, and the process of adding video into the GitHub Readme file is quite different from it. So for new page issue, come over to issue, click on So after come over to issue, click on new issue. Then you scroll down and click on this drop box, click on add new file. Come bring in your video. Okay. So once you bring in your video, it will automatically generate the link that will be used in the readme file, that will be added to the readme file. So now we have the link, copy the link, then back to our readme file. Right inside the readme file, you only need to just paste the link. That's all you need to do. Just need to paste the link into the readme file, then commit changes. Now, so we have it. We have the video displayed by the speed can be improved and like so. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, subscribe and share to keep and stay updated on future tutorial tips. Thank you for watching.